You're watching EDS TV. I hope this dashcam footage helps the victim with their insurance claim. Kudos to the Honda driver for avoiding hitting the camera.
See how it's... Wow. What?
The first 3 seconds of a red light are just a mere suggestion for those people, it seems. The driver failed to check their mirrors and blind spots and rammed into the camera. Thanks to dashcam footage, they'd be at fault. Cutting over multiple lanes from having just merged in. Typical. Nice dodge though on the camera's part. I don't condone such behavior, but having said that, it's the first time I've seen a mass-produced EV doing donuts. I hear tire noise, but there's no engine noise, which is odd to me. The dump truck doesn't realize he's dragging a telephone pole and almost takes out the camera's stopped car. He handled that slide pretty well considering the circumstances. I'm going to need some more dashcam clips of them before declaring idiocy. What is that on the camera's bonnet? A donut? Or a reindeer nose from last Christmas that wasn't removed? Let me know in the comments what you think. The tow truck driver seems to be drunk or on a cell phone, which effectively is the same thing. The towing company would probably claim that the damage was there before they towed the vehicle. According to the camera, this guy was being a menace to everyone on the road. At least he turned into the proper lane. The camera was in the GTI. He slowed down to be cautious and the RAV4 rear ends the Tesla, moves out of the way, and then the minivan doesn't see the Tesla stopped and doesn't have time to brake, and instead merged into the camera's lane and hits him. The camera may have been on his way to work that morning, but that was definitely that driver's very late night. It seems that driver wasn't even aiming for the exit. He went to change lanes and almost hit the black car and overreacted, turning hard away from the car, resulting in this. I absolutely hate it when drivers fail to maintain their left turn.
Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Good job on the camera's part for just leaving and getting out of there. Literally, there is no positive outcome to road rage. That driver was the idiot for sure, as they had a yield sign, and they failed to yield properly. Allegedly, he was giving the camera the birdie. That truck driver should not be in a parking lot like that with a size of a trailer that big. Good thing it looks like a company truck, because this could be a case for negligence, time, money, and even some emotional distress. Is that a 1.5 lane road? It totally looks like there isn't space for the camera and the other driver to pass by safely. Sure, the dashcam doesn't help, but yikes. It's pretty fortunate for the camera, and I really mean it. Y'all remember that one clip a few weeks ago where the unlucky vehicle gets absolutely launched into orbit? Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.